You have made impressive. With your retail business thriving, your next goal is to manufacture your own products. This tutorial will guide you through the process of setting up factories, sourcing raw materials, and getting manufacturing facilities running to churn out products for sale. In the previous tutorials you have learned how to purchase products from suppliers and simply put them on sale in your stores. Now you get the chance to actually manufacture products in your own factory. You have decided to leave your family-owned business and branch out on your own. You've spotted an opportunity in the market. There's high-quality timber available for import, from which you can manufacture a variety of products. The first step is to get an understanding about the manufacturing process. Click the Information Center icon on the bottom toolbar. Next, click Manufacturer's Guide on the left of the screen to proceed. We want to find out what products can be made from timber, so click the Input button. Look for timber in the list and double-click it. It shows that timber can be used to produce beds. Fairly obvious, eh? Take a close look at the information shown here. It tells that 120 pounds of timber is needed to make 1 unit of bed. Notice that timber has a quality influence of 50%, which means that the quality of the finished product is 50% affected by the quality of timber. The quality of bed is determined by 2 factors: production technology and raw material quality. The raw materials, as just stated, represent 50% of the bed's quality, and the remaining 50% is determined by production technology of the manufacturer. We will discuss production technology later. Let's explore more products that can be made with timber. Click the More button below the image of the timber. It shows that timber may also be combined with cotton and linen to produce chair. The quality of chair is 60% influenced by the raw materials. Among that 60%, timber contributes 40%, cotton contributes 10%, and linen contributes the remaining 10%. You may click the More button below the image of the timber again to see more products that can be made with timber. Good. You've got a basic understanding about manufacturing. Let's proceed to set up your production facility. Right-click anywhere on the screen to exit back to the city view. Now you must build a factory. Click the Build icon. Select Factory from the menu and find a location to build it. It's a good idea to build your factory in the rural area as the land is cheaper there. In order for your factory to manufacture goods and sell them, it requires 3 unit types to be linked within the layout grid. You already know purchasing and sales units. The third type you require is the manufacturing unit. Let's get your factory producing something. Double-click the top left-hand unit space in the layout grid and build a purchasing unit. To the right of the purchasing unit, build a manufacturing unit. And to the right of the manufacturing unit, build a sales unit. Now click the link between the units to connect them. Connect these units as well. Great job! Now you need to purchase raw materials. Click your purchasing unit to select it. Click the link button to open the Select a Supplier interface. Use the product filter to select timber. Then choose a supplier that sells timber. As soon as your factory receives timber from the supplier, the manufacturing unit begins to produce beds. Shortly afterwards, the manufacturing unit will send finished products to the sales unit and your beds will be available for sale to the world. Now let's have a closer look at the manufacturing unit itself. Select your manufacturing unit by clicking on it. Here it shows the quality rating of the beds, and the factors that contribute to this quality rating, which include raw material qualities, and your production technology for this product. Remember the manufacturer's guide you looked at a moment ago? From it, you will see that the overall quality of beds is 50% affected by the quality of the raw materials and 50% affected by the production technology. That corresponds to the display of production quality and raw material quality on this screen. The raw material quality can be increased by sourcing supplies of higher quality raw materials. The production quality can be increased by setting up R&D centers, research and development centers, to develop better technology. We will cover this in a later tutorial. Now that your factory has been in operation, your products may already be purchased by other corporations for sale in their shops. To grow your business, you are advised to build retail stores to sell your own goods, and set up more factories to produce additional products. To complete your objectives in this game, you need to achieve an annual revenue of $30 million and an annual profit of $3 million. Good luck!
Silver deposit discovered. The central bank decreases the interest rate.
Congratulations! You have achieved the goal.